What's happening, everybody? It's your man David down at Crosstown Dodge in Edmonton, Alberta. And from the used car superstore is this 2016 Jeep Cherokee Limited in brilliant black crystal pearl, powered by the 3.2-liter Pentastar V6 engine under the hood. Come to the front here, you have your Projector Style LED Headlamps lighting up the road in front of you. You have that unique Jeep grille, letting everybody know, hey, this isn't a regular vehicle. This is a Jeep. You have 2 fog lamps on your front bumper, and you have LED running lights with your turn signals up top here. You got the nice Jeep badge there as well. This Cherokee is running on 18-inch Continental Pro Contact mud and snow tires with plenty of tread on there. You'll surely have lots of traction on alloy rims, and you have mud flaps behind all 4 tires. Both driver and passenger side door mirrors do have built-in LED turn signal lights. They are color matching, and they are breakaway, and you have heated mirrors as well, so you heat them up, defrost them, and see what's beside you. And you do have blind spot radar, so if you try to change lanes when you're driving and there's someone in your blind spot, there's a triangle right there which will light up for you. You have roof racks on the top of the Cherokee here in case you want to haul things on top of it. You can easily do so. You do have the proximity key fob. All you gotta do is put your hand around the door handle. I'll sense the fob is near, and that'll unlock all the doors for you. You can always press that black button right there to lock up the Cherokee when you're done with it. Here's your door panel. You have storage down below with a cup holder, leather padding for your arm. You have your power mirrors, power windows, power locks with window lock. Driver and passenger side windows are automatic. You have driver's seat presets, and you can save up to 2 presets for the driver's seat, and by the push of a button, the seat will adjust to your settings. So each person who's driving this vehicle will be comfortable. You have your leather wrapped steering wheel right here. Feels great in your hands. There's a tilt steering wheel as well. Driver's seat is fully power with lumbar support. You do have leather seating throughout. Adjustable headrests in the front seats. And you have adjustable seatbelt heights. And depending on how big or tall of a person you are, you can adjust those so you're most comfortable. Nice Jeep badges on the front seats. Looking nice. Come back here. Let me show you the back seat area. Here's your back seat door panel. You have storage down below with a cup holder, leather padding for your arm, power window switch, lots of footroom back here, tons of headroom. Yes, you do have the panoramic sunroof up above, looking nice. Fold down armrest here with 2 cup holders in the middle, adjustable headrests in the back seats too, reading lamps up above, which is also your interior lighting, directional air vents in the middle here, which you can easily adjust, and you can open and close them. And you have a pocket on the back of the driver's seat. You have airbags built into the front seats for safety, and you also have pillar side airbags as well. There's a 60-40 rear split setup, and there's a handle just up here which you can pull, and that allows you to fold down the seats so you can haul bigger things inside the Jeep Cherokee here. You got hooks on the backs of the seats so you can set up a child seat if you really wanted to, or hang up bags. Easily push this back up, and it locks back into place for you. Come to the back here. The Cherokee has LED tail lamps, dual exhaust tips out the back. You have your rear window wiper looking nice. There's a button just down here that you can press to open up your liftgate. There we go. It is a power liftgate, by the way, so you can just press that button once and it'll actually come up itself, or you can lift it up, but I lifted it up, but it actually goes up itself, so that's pretty sweet. Lots of space back here for many different things. You got a handle here, just lift this up. More storage underneath there. Lift this up, you have your spare tire. You have a cover here, so if you have important things back here that you don't want people to see, just pull the cover like that, and everything back here will be out of sight. This easily goes back. You have a convenience light right there. Some hooks here so you can hang up bags. Put like an umbrella in here. And if you ever need to put a license plate on the front of the Cherokee, there's a holder right here which you can mount on the front of the Cherokee. Press this button right here. You'll hear some beeps, and that allows your power liftgate to come down right before your eyes. There you go. This Cherokee is looking pretty sweet. This is where you put gasoline inside the Jeep here. Let me show you the other side of the back seat. Storage down below with the cup holder, leather padding for your arm, power window switch. Looking great. Of course, you have lots of footroom. You have airbags built into the back seats too. How do I know? There's a tag right here, SRS airbag. That's sweet. You have your handle just over here. Pull that, and it comes right down for you. There's the hook. Push it back up, and it locks back into place for you. You can unlock all the doors using the passenger door handle too, as long as you have your key fob, just by putting your hand around the door handle. And you can always press this black button to lock up the Cherokee when you're done with it. Storage down below with a cup holder, leather padding for your arm, power locks, power window switch. You have your directional air vent right here, which you can close and open. Pocket on the side of the middle console. Passenger seat is manual adjustment. There's tons of headroom inside this Jeep Cherokee as well. You have your lower glove box here, a convenience light, and lots of other goodies. And you can lock the lower glove box if you have important documents you want to keep in there. I think it's about time we hop inside and take a closer look at this Jeep Cherokee right now. So here we go. All right, sweet. Now I'm sitting inside the driver's seat of the 2016 Jeep Cherokee Limited. And here is your key fob. You have an unlock button, lock button, remote start. You can open up your power liftgate, and you have a panic button and a nice Jeep badge in the back. This is your proximity key fob. You can keep this in your pocket, or you can put this down below here in this large storage area. Put your foot on the brake down below. Go over here and press the push button, start button. That fires up the Cherokee for you. The tachometer, the speedometer, the large LCD screen in the middle. It all looks very nice. And the first thing you'll see is that this Cherokee only has 8,608 kilometers on it. Not too shabby. So come down to Crosstown Dodge today and see if this is going to be your next everyday driver. And if all tires are low on air, or if just one tire is low on air, it will let you know on your LCD screen what you need to inflate them to. And it also tells you what they're at. So that's very handy. And using buttons on the left side of your steering wheel right here, we can go through our driver information center screen. And we also have our coolant temperature in our vehicle info area. You have your transmission temperature, oil temperature, oil life, battery voltage, and back to your tire pressures right there. You have your driver assist area. You have your fuel economy, lets you know your fuel range, your current liters per 100 kilometers, and your average liters per 100 kilometers. Feel free to reset that whenever you want. You have two trick computers that tells you how far you've driven, your average fuel economy, and the time been driving for. Feel free to reset both of those whenever you want. They have never been reset before. You have your auto stop start system area here. Audio center lets you know what's playing on your media. Message center in case your Jeep Cherokee wants to tell you something. Screen setup here so you can customize the screen, make it more of your own. You have a compass in the top right corner, outside thermometer or top left corner. Some blank spaces down below. Go into the screen setup here and customize the screen. Have it say what you want it to say. You have a digital speedometer which you can change the miles per hour if you're going to the States. And back to your vehicle info. If you open any door on the Jeep Cherokee, it will let you know which door on the vehicle is open. You have your fuel gauge and your temperature gauge there. PRND, park, reverse, neutral, drive. It'll let you know if you're in any of those. You have your cruise control on the right here, and below is your adaptive cruise control area, which you can turn on and off, and you can adjust settings for that as well. Nice Jeep badge in the middle with, of course, your horn. This is a very loud horn, and behind the steering wheel, you have steering wheel mounted audio controls that allows you to adjust your volume, go through your presets, and so much more. Bluetooth buttons here. You can answer a call, hang up on a call, and you have voice recognition. Cancel. Using your voice, you can tell the GPS navigation system to find an address. Now, I really like that. You have your directional air vents here in the middle, which you can close and open. Close and open. You have a large storage area right there. Fold down sun visor here with a convenience mirror with convenience lights, and it is breakaway. And you have your programmable garage door opener there, which you can pair with your garage at home so you can open up from being inside your Cherokee. Auto dimming rear view mirror. You have a sunglasses holder here. Push button reading lamps right here. And you can open up your panoramic sunroof by pressing that button right there, and that will let in lots of fresh air and sunlight on sunny days. It's very handy to have, and you can easily press the other button again and it'll automatically close right back up for you. Passenger sun visor also comes down and has a convenience mirror with convenience lights, and it is breakaway. Handle up above for the passenger, and even you, the driver, have a handle that you can hold on to whenever you want. You have your automatic transmission down here with your manual shift mode right there. And if I throw the Cherokee into reverse, the backup camera appears on your touchscreen Uconnect system, giving you a great view of what's behind you. And if I turn the wheels, it will guide you to where you're going to go. And that also turns on your front and rear ParkSense parking sensors on the screen here. So it'll show you how close you're getting to an object front or behind you. The closer you get to an object, it'll show you here how close you're getting, and you'll hear audible beeps. And the closer you get to an object, the louder those audible beeps will get. You have your USB port, auxiliary port, SD card port connected to your media center with a 12-volt DC power outlet. 2 big cup holders in the middle. You have your electronic parking brake. Nice leather padding in the middle here for your armrest on. Grab a little lower. You have a large storage compartment here. Cell phone holder and cutouts on both sides so you can run cords along there so once you close the lid it doesn't crush your cord. Grab a little lower. More storage space in here with cutouts on the sides. You have a change holder and a USB port and a 12-volt DC power outlet. Little spot there for hold some pens. Here we have our dual climate control with air conditioning and your rear window defroster, and the auto feature which allows the Cherokee just to adjust your climate control for you. You adjust your fan speed with this knob right here, driver's temperature, passenger temperature. Turn it off, turn on the auto feature. Tuning knob, browse button, back button to help you guide through your system. You turn off your auto start stop system if you don't want to use it. Press it again, it comes back on. Traction control, you can turn the screen off if you don't want to look at it. Touch it with your finger, it comes back on. Volume knob, mute button. You have forward collision warning, and you can turn it off by pressing that button right there. It'll let you know on the screen if you turned it off. Push it again, it comes back on. You have LaneSense, which you can turn off and turn back on. Hazards. You can turn off your ParkSense parking sensors, and you have active ParkSense as well. You can turn that on, and you can choose between parallel parking or perpendicular parking, and the Cherokee will park itself. Now that is pretty awesome. And here's your touchscreen media center. You can direct tune to a specific radio station that you want to listen to. You have your seek buttons. You can adjust your audio, balance fade, equalizer, speed adjusted volume, surround sound mode, auxiliary volume offset. You have your presets up above. Easily hold it with your finger. And you can set a preset. You can favorite your favorite songs or artists that come on SiriusXM, AM, FM there. Tells you what the temperatures are set at for both dual climate control. Tells you the time, outside temperature, you have a compass, and whether your heated seats or your heated steering wheel is turned on. Media here, so if you have anything plugged into the USB ports, the auxiliary port, a Bluetooth device connected, or something in the SD card port, go here and you can listen to all your favorite tunes. Touchscreen controls for your driver and passenger heated and ventilated seats, your heated steering wheel. You have your mirror dimmer, and you have settings there too. Uconnect app showing you all the cool stuff you have. Touchscreen controls for your climate control. Adjust where you want the air to go by the touch of a finger. Adjust your fan speed. You can sync and unsync the temperatures, easily set the temperature here. Turn on your rear window defroster, so you can choose whether you want to adjust your climate here on the screen or down below. But remember, you can adjust where you want the air to go on the touchscreen. GPS navigation area, view the map, gives you a great view of where you are, and you can zoom in and you can zoom out on the map. Put in an address, that's right, I'll show you how to get to where you want to go. Search up points of interest. Go home, it's all there for you. Bluetooth area, well, I like to pair a phone, that's okay. I'll let you connect the phone to make hands-free calls. You pair more than one device. Everything you do on your phone to make a call, you do hands-free on your touchscreen Uconnect system right here. Put that back on the radio. You have lots of visibility out the front window. In front of me is Crosstown Dodge, looking nice. On the left side here, you have your automatic headlamps, so you can set it and forget it with your dimmer switches, and this button here will open up your power liftgate. Of course, you have your directional air vent here, which you can close and open. There's lots of space throughout this Jeep Cherokee. Lots of technology, I have to say. The seats are very comfortable to sit in, and the Panoramic Sunroof is quite the luxury. Be sure to come check out this Jeep sometime soon. There are LED lights built into the bottom of the mirrors, which will light up the ground before you at nighttime so you can see where your feet are. Come down to Crosstown Dodge today and take this 2016 Jeep Cherokee Limited in brilliant black crystal pearl, powered by the 3.2 liter Pentastar V6 engine for a test drive. It's waiting for you. I'm your man David, and I'll talk to you later.